Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all these videos. If you're liking these videos or if it is helpful for you, then hit the subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is the number. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can open your account in Zerodha, Upstock, Angel Broking or Alice Blue and be part of the secret Telegram group. So in this particular video, we are going to see how to pick a stock, intraday stock one day before, okay, one day before the market. So normally we pick directly in the live market. So how to pick a stock one day before itself so I can do all my homework in the night and then next day I can take some action. So I'm just sharing this particular work which you can do. So one homework or task which you can do in your paper trading. So remember, this is how to pick a stock one day before. So the entry can be different. So you can have any of your strategy as a entry. Maybe you can use a stochastic on a 5 minutes and wait for a lower levels and then buy, maybe an indicator, or maybe you can use a one-day candle breakout and then go for a high breakout of this previous one-day candle or low breakout of the one-day previous candle. So the entry can be different, or whatever strategy or whatever technical tools, RSI or MACD, whatever you're using, super trend, use those for an entry, price action or whichever indicator. But how to pick a stock, even picking also matters, because if you apply these technicals or any breakout on any stock randomly, it will not work in intraday. Picking the stock does 50% of your work. So if you do that particular task properly, things go better. So anyways, so how to pick? So now I don't know what's the logic going to happen tomorrow, because I don't know if market is going to go up, come down, even external markets are going to impact on it. So I don't have any clue, because I'm not a god over here. I don't know anything. I'm a human being. So anything can happen tomorrow, but we need some logic to enter. So for that, what we can do, we want to see a stock where people are investing more. Maybe finding out the deliveries of a stock where people have traded the most, or what delivery volumes are highest. So in NSE, you know that you can find the delivery, but not on the top one. So what you can do, you can go to money control, just type money control and search, directly go into money control. So once you go to money control, just go to markets. So once you click on markets, just come a little bit down. You have all these only buyers, only sellers. So over here, okay, so you have delivery stats. So click on the delivery stats. So you don't need to go and manually search on which stock is the highest or top gain or something like that. Directly check, because see, volume traded can be highest for any stock, but in that how much is for delivery is very important. So now what we will do, you just put a filter over here. I don't want to trade in BSE, I will trade more of NSE. So let me put a Nifty over here. Let me concentrate only on Nifty stocks. So these are the stocks. Here you have something called delivery volumes and traded volumes. Traded volumes, you know, if you open any stock, let's say Reliance, traded volume is how much? 85 lakh for Reliance, if I'm not wrong, 85 lakh. So this is the traded volume. Buying and selling happened on this particular day, so traded volume happened. But how much is in this? How much is intraday? How much is delivery? How much is people actually holding number of shares? To know that, we are using this particular method. So now you have traded volumes, and in that, how much is the delivery volume is mentioned here. So what we can do, the percentage is given here, so we can directly click on the percentage. So now if you see 55 percentage, that means in 20 lakhs, see, this is 20 lakh, right? So in 20 lakh volumes, 11 lakh was delivery volume. So rest was intraday, same day buy sell and all happened. But these are the ones that have been holded, or these are the delivery trades, a single trade which has been taken. Maybe they are selling it tomorrow, or maybe they are holding it for a week, or maybe 1 year also. We don't know about that, but it is delivery. They are holding the position, not in intraday. So there is some good news if somebody is holding positions in a stock. And not every investor, intraday everybody will come and go. But if somebody is holding a position for tomorrow or maybe for a week or a month, there is some good news going to happen on this particular thing. Or maybe some bad news or good news, whatever is the thing, some reason is happening over here. So keeping that in mind, people are buying this particular stock or have invested in this particular stock in delivery, they're holding their positions, then I'm going to take some chance on these stocks. So here I have HUL, I have SBI Life Insurance, Power Grid. So any one or two, top one or two stocks in this particular day. So this is October 9th, end of the day. So after market closes, you can check the detail for the next day, next trading day. So maybe HUL is your stock or SBI is your stock. So what you will do, you will just search for HUL is what? Hindustan Unilever. Okay. So you can search for the stock. So if you see A lot of people have invested in this particular stock at the end of the day, maybe. Okay, a lot of people are holding their positions. It's converted into delivery positions. So maybe tomorrow you can see a spike up, a spike down. So maybe tomorrow you can take an advantage on stochastic 5 minutes from the below level, or maybe if you can take an advantage on 1 day candle breakout, or maybe the high breakout, let's say 2166 or 2123, or if you are a trader who go based on price actions and you draw a line and you feel the line has to break out. This is the line. See, this is a resistance. It's touching here, it's touching here, just like a double top somewhere. Okay, let it break it up. Some whichever strategy of entering you're using, you can use on these particular stock. So I would recommend buying these stocks on CNC basis, because in intraday, because if you take margin, because of the volatility, maybe it goes 1 or 2% down. If you're taking 5-10 times margin, it's a big loss for you. So taking these type of stocks on CNC, even though it goes 1 or 2% against you, you may not be scared to book your losses, and you will patiently wait for maybe end of the day or maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow to book your profit. So understand the logic. We are taking a stock where people are taking it as a delivery. So if I am taking as a CNC, it will be more like a intraday. I may book my 0.3% or how much ever 0.5, 1%, what you want to book. Take it down in a paper trading. But the idea is, if I miss my target, I can hold my position. So these are the stocks which I can keep an eye on and take advantage. So start doing your homework and do a paper trading on this particular method. So anyways, practice this. I would always tell, do not, like always I tell in all videos, do not put your hard-earned money. It is easy to lose money. So take some time, and yes, this can be utilized for futures also. So thank you so much for watching. Please do hit that like and subscribe. Also share it with all your friends. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.